Ano ba gagawin natin dito? Ipag-proceed kayo without any hearing me out?
Are you trying to steal the show?
No.
Why are you so
Let me shut that
protective
guy.
of this guy? Why are you so protective?
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings if you will not allow me to raise this point. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez. Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No, that's my perspective. No, that's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator